So then the next slide is how to write that in interval notation. And this is particularly important because the course project will require you to do that. It will ask you to graph some functions and actually show the domain in interval notation. So when x is greater or equal to 7/5, it means that it can go from 7/5 all the way to infinity. So we put it like this: 7/5 on the left, and then comma, and then infinity, and then open parentheses. And then on the left, it's closed brackets. So here I say we use brackets when the value of x can be equal to the endpoint value. Like in my solution set, x can actually be equal to 7/5. So I close the bracket on, I put the bracket on next to the 7/5. So on this table, I have some examples. For example, if x is, all the values of x are x greater than 2, then it's a parenthesis 2, comma, infinity parenthesis. When x can be greater or equal to 2, then it's bracket 2, comma, infinity. Yeah, so it's it.
So can you kind of think of it like if it's a parenthesis, it can just kind of keep going forever. And then if it's a bracket, that's like the hard stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so bracket's like a wall, and then the other one is just.
And wall is like it can get very close to 2, but never equal to 2. It cannot be the actual wall, but it can get as close to the wall as you wish. And then I said, remember, important, you always use parentheses. That's my second important thing. Well, two important things. First one is the left number is always a smaller number. So I'm not going to write infinity, comma 2. Yeah, I had students writing that, and that's wrong. The notation, the standard notation is the smaller number first, comma, the bigger number. And then for infinitive or negative infinitive, because they are not actual numbers, they are just a representation. I'm never really equal to infinity, so it's always a parenthesis. It's never a bracket. Yeah, is that okay? Questions? No? All right.